Hello and welcome to Susan Best TV. Good to see you guys back again. Here are the three types of healthy smoothie you should never make. Here is watermelon, I'm going to be removing the seed after cutting it. I'll wash it and blend everything together. This is number one. We are going to be doing this blending with orange, just orange, no milk, no water, just orange. So guys, if you've not tried your smoothie this way, try it and you will come back and thank me. The result is amazing. Most especially moms, because when you have kids already, you know how the belly eats, so you will need this type of smoothie almost most time every morning. So this is how it is, guys. So here is our first one. It is ready. Here come our second one. We are going to be using almost everything but just a little different. Now we're going to add kiwi, avocado and some other stuff. We already have our celery and our broccoli. Before we're adding half avocado and half kiwi. We're also going to be adding our pineapple. Then we'll be adding our Greek yogurt. This yogurt is Greek yogurt and it's not sweet. It is very nice. The reason why we make this way is to keep you fuller. When you add yogurt to your smoothie at times, it will not make you hungry on time. Imagine you have yogurt there, you have avocado also keeps you fuller. So this way it is very good to take this kind of smoothie for diet. While the first one we made, it is good for our immune system. It cleans your system very well. So our second one is ready. So let's do the last but not the least. It's also go with pineapple, here strawberry and watermelon. It is frozen strawberry, which I preserve myself. And now here goes our half banana, so we don't want too much banana in it. So this time we're going to blend our smoothie with milk. And also tell me more if you want more recipe of smoothie. All right, so this smoothie, they are very nice, and if you've tried it before, I want to know in the comment section. And if you've not tried it before and you try it, also let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye, and I love you. Thank you so much for your support, for your subscription, and for stopping by to always support our channel. Thank you. God bless you. Bye for now.